be on my way now.
So what do you do in the Keys? That's right. Charter a boat, go out to the sandbar. So when our charter captain Colleen realized we've never been lobstering before, she took us on a guided tour of the sandbar and taught us how to catch them. Too bad it's not lobster season. We'll have to let them go for now, but we'll be back. It doesn't get much better than this. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. It really does help the channel. We'll catch you next time here at the Weekend Experience.